uninstall script does not exist. We will see how we can solve this problem. So I have a XAMPP server which I want to remove. Usually we will run brew uninstall XAMPP because I have installed this with the brew. So with brew list command you can see all the servers which you have on your system, all the softwares. So when I run uninstall command from brew, I get an error that the script does not exist. So it means that brew is unable to uninstall this. So what we will do in this case is we will just run a simple command. We will just remove files from Caskroom folder. So if you are on an Intel Mac like me, then you just have to run this command. I will add this command in description. So we will remove all the files from the Caskroom. If you are using Mac Apple chip MacBook, you can run this command which is on your screen. It is also in the description if you can copy from that. Now after removing files, let's do brew list once again, and you can see that XAMPP is gone, it's deleted. So that's it, simple tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe.